In this video, I'll show you how to add a modifier to an item in Square. First, sign in to your Square account and open the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Items and Orders, then select Items to access your item catalog. Next, open the item you want to edit or click Create Item if you're adding a new product. Scroll down to the Modifiers section and click Add Modifier Set. If you've already created a modifier set, simply select it from the list. Otherwise, choose to create a new modifier set. After that, give your modifier set a name, such as extra toppings, add-ons, or customization options. Add each modifier option, enter any additional price if applicable, and configure settings such as the minimum and maximum number of selections customers can make. Review these options carefully so they match the choices you want to offer. Now, save the modifier set and make sure it's attached to the correct item. Return to your item details and verify that the modifier appears in the Modifiers section. If you use Square POS or Square Online, test the item by adding it to a cart and confirming that the modifier options appear correctly during checkout. Finally, continue adding modifiers to other products whenever you need to offer customizations, upgrades, or optional extras. You can return to the modifier settings at any time to edit options, adjust pricing, or assign the same modifier set to multiple items in your catalog. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a modifier to an item in Square. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.